Hey YouTubers, just going over our latest product. This is live on the website right now, 13motorsports.com. Direct replacement front pipes for the 86 FRS BRZ platform. Stainless steel flanges, 2.5-inch stainless steel tubing, purged welded stainless steel bracket, and lastly, generic type universal flanges, not a donut specific one. If you want something donut specific, which most people aren't using when you have a modified exhaust, hit me up. Alright, so I'm gonna just check the weight of the pipe versus the stock one. The stock front pipe is 11 pounds. This one is 7 pounds. Hold on, let me just steady my hand. 7 pounds, 7.2 pounds for this one, so definitely got a weight savings there.